Oh Sri Krishna, the Vedas are your literary manifestation, Vangmay Swarup. And you are studying from the Guru. This is only your Leela. Nevertheless, when his education got completed, he asked his Guru, is there anything I can give in Dakshina? Guru Dakshina. Gurudev said, my child has got drowned in the ocean. If you can save him. Sri Krishna went. He spoke to the god of the ocean, Varun Devata. He retrieved his Guru's child, and Varun Devata offered him the Pansajanya, the shell that he kept with him. Now, one day, Sri Krishna was walking with Uddhav. Uddhav was his friend. He was Brihaspati Shishya, the disciple of Brihaspati. Uddhav was a worshipper of the formless. Now, God is both. This debate goes on. Is God Nirakar or Sakar? Well, the only thing I know is he is Sarva Shaktiman, all powerful. If he is Sarva Shaktiman, that means he has the Shakti to be both Nirakar and Sakar. If you say he is only Sakar or only Nirakar, then he is not all powerful. So if he is truly God, then he is both. So Uddhav was a worshipper of the formless. Sri Krishna thought, I need to bring Uddhav into bhakti, to reveal to the world the glories of bhakti. One day, Krishna and Uddhav were walking along the Yamuna, when a flower came floating by. Sri Krishna saw that flower and fainted. When he came back to consciousness, Uddhav said, what happened? Sri Krishna said, this flower was released by Radha. Radha Rani in Braj. He used to ponder, does he remember me or not? So every day she would release a flower in the Yamuna, thinking that if Krishna sees this, he will remember me. Now that flower made Sri Krishna unconscious, and he started thinking of the gopis. He requested Uddhav to go and deliver a message to them. So Uddhav took the message of Sri Krishna. He first of all went and met Nanda and Yashoda and consoled them. Your child has sent his love. Yashoda was shedding tears. She caught Uddhav's hand and took her look. This was the cot on which he used to sleep. Uddhav, this is the place where he would sit in my lap. And this is where he would go running to Nanda saying, Baba, Baba. Now Yashoda was just remembering Krishna's leelas and crying and crying. Uddhav became a little humble, seeing the loving state of their heart. His maryada of jnana, his pride of knowledge started reducing. What an elevated state they are in. I am a sukha jnani, dry jnani. Yashoda said, Uddhav, my child, we are tolerating this, but the situation of the gopis is very precarious. You need to go and console them. From there, Uddhav went to the gopis. They were all sitting in a kunj forest grove, and Radha was also there. So as Uddhav came, the gopis saw he looks so similar to our Shyam Sundar. He seems to be Shyam Sundar's friend. The gopis started gathering. Uddhav came towards Radha ji. As Uddhav came, a bumblebee, a Brahmar also started coming. So the bumblebee was doing. Radha ji started speaking to the bumblebee. And Uddhav felt that she is making that a means to speak to him. So what Radha says is the Brahmar Geet of the Bhagavatam. Radha said to the bumblebee, "Hey, what are you doing this gun 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 gun? You are black colored, your master Sri Krishna, Shyam Sundar, is also black colored, his heart is fully black. I know your nature. You have sat on various flower garlands in Mathura and now you are coming here. Exactly identical is the nature of Shyam Sundar. First he was roaming around with us all saying Meri Pyari, and now he's left us all and he's become the beloved of Kubja. What kind of reliability does he have?" So Uddhav is wondering that what is going on, whom is she speaking to? And Radha ji said, "What is this jum you are doing? Are you trying to relate katha? His katha? What katha does he have? Mrigayuriva kapindram vivyadhe lubda dharma strimajitave rupam strijitah kamayanam balimapi balimatva veshtayadvangshavadhyas tadalam masita sakhyai dustyajas kathartah." In his previous avatar, he hid and killed Bali for no reason. And Surpankha approached him, "You are my beloved." She got her nose and ears cut off. And Bali, he did Sarva Samarpan. But he tied up Bali and sent him to Narak. This Krishna is totally unreliable. But what to do? He alone is my beloved. In any case, you are his messenger, you get out from here. So at that time, the bee started moving away and Uddhav also started moving away. Then Uddhav thought that I must at least convey Sri Krishna's message to the gopis. So Uddhav started coming close and the bee also started coming close. Radha said, "I told you to go away, why are you coming back?" Finally Uddhav ji, he gathered the courage and he spoke up to the gopis and he offered his Brahma Gyan. Look, everything is Brahman. You are Brahman, Sri Krishna is Brahman, this is all Brahman. There is only one Brahman. You just develop in you the feeling Aham Brahmasmi, and Sarvam Khal Vidam Brahma. The whole world will become Brahmamay. There is no need to cry for Sri Krishna. Now the gopis were listening to Uddhav's lecture and laughing in their mind. Because there were three sections of gopis: first class gopis, second class gopis, third class gopis. The third class gopis were the mantras of the Vedas, the Richas. You see, in our Vedic Sanatan Dharma, all the Shaktis have their formless aspect and personal form. So the Ved mantras are the Gyan Shaktis. They also have the personal form. These are the Richas. They had done sadhana to understand the Leelas that God does under the sway of love. And hence when Krishna avatar took place, they had come as gopis. These were the third class gopis. So they were listening to Uddhav and laughing. By reading us, he has become a Jnani. And he is giving us a lecture. Why do you cry for Sri Krishna? You are Swayam Brahma. So finally, when Uddhav's lecture got over, he thought, oh, I have explained so well, they have all understood. The gopi said, Uddhav ji, your lecture was most remarkable. But we are ordinary village women. We are illiterate. So we have a few doubts. Uddhav said, what did you not understand? Ask. The gopi said, you said there is only one tattva. Now this is the famous Uddhav Gopi Samvad. Many saints have written bhajans, pads on it. Kripaluji Maharaj has written over 40 pads in his Prem Ras Madhura on the Uddhav Gopi Samvad. The gopis say, Uddhav ji, you said there is only one tattva, Brahman. Yes. So who are you? I am Brahman. Who are we? You are also Brahman. And what is this tree? This is also Brahman. I told you, no? Ekameva dvitiyam Brahma. So Gopi said, Uddhav ji, if there is only one Brahman, then whom are you giving pravachan to? You are talking Advait and doing work of Dvait. If you were truly situated in Advait, you would only see Uddhav. But you are saying, these are the gopis, I need to explain to them. This is Dvait. So the whole conversation ensued. The gopi said, Uddhav ji, you are telling us that Krishna is in Mathura. Our situation is, wherever we look, we see Shri Krishna. Shama tan, Shama man, Shama hi hamaro dhan, Udho hame aatho yam, Sham hi so kam hai, Sham hi Sham jiye, Sham bina nahi jiye, अंधे की सी लाखरी आधार श्याम नाम है, श्याम ज्ञान श्याम ध्यान, श्याम ही हमारो प्राण, श्याम श्याम रटत सकल ब्रज धाम है, श्याम तन श्याम मन. So I am just condensing the whole conversation. Uddhav saw the elevated state of the gopis. And he said, oh, Shri Krishna had said, give them gyan. Now I understood what he meant. He meant throw all this knowledge at their feet and get divine love. So Uddhav started rolling out there in the mud. And subsequently he received the blessings of the gopis. He got intoxicated in divine love. The Brihaspati Shishya, Brahma Jnani. And he returned, grabbing the trees, Ha Radhe, Ha Sham Sundar. And finally when he reached Mathura, out there Shri Krishna met him. So Surdas describes the scene. सूर श्याम भूतल परे, नैन रहे जल छाई, पोंछी पीत पट सो कह्यो, भली आए योग सिखाई. Shri Krishna and Uddhav embraced and they both fell on the ground. And they were both crying in love. Shri Krishna took his pitambar and he wiped his friend's tears. And he said, my dear Sakha, did you teach yoga to the gopis in Kam? Uddhav said, hey Tribhangi Lal, you stand crooked and your works are also crooked. Why did you not tell me you are sending me for this purpose? Shri Krishna said, if I had told you, you would not have gone. You see, in Krishna Avatar, everything was teda meda. Where did he take birth? In a jailhouse. Now the master of the universe is coming. He can descend anywhere. There is no such necessity. But he is choosing to descend in this jailhouse, and immediately after birth he is running away from the jail as well. And after that all teda meda. That is because he is Rasik Shiromani. He is Rasaraj. The bliss becomes sweeter in all that crookedness. If he wears a diamond crown, it is ordinary. When he wears a peacock crown, now the saints say, Varaha Pidam Natavaravapu. So Uddhav said, no matter whatever has happened. My prayer to you, Asamaho charanarenu-jushamahansyam vrindavane kimapi gulmalataushadhinam yadustyajam swajanamarya pathancha hitva bhejur mukunda padavim shrutivir vimrigyam. Oh Sham Sundar, in my next life, don't give me the human birth. In your land of Braj, make me a blade of grass. So these great devotees of yours, the gopis, who have your divine bhakti, parabhakti, I may receive the dust of their lotus feet. And my heart may also become eligible for such kind of bhakti. So now, here the Leela proceeds.
Are you ready to embark on a transformative spiritual journey? Join the Get Closer to God 21 Days Challenge on the Radha Krishna Bhakti app, guided by Swami Mukundananda. This 21-day challenge offers a deep dive into the 3 dimensions of spiritual growth: wisdom, sadhana, and seva. Gain timeless spiritual wisdom through daily lectures and teachings from Swamiji. Discover the profound insights of the Bhagavad Gita and expand your understanding with the ancient knowledge. Experience the transformative power of sadhana with guided meditations by Swamiji. Deepen your practice, enhance concentration, and find inner tranquility. Embrace the joy of seva through selfless service by engaging in community activities. The Radha Krishna Bhakti app offers a complete spiritual experience. Enjoy daily quotes, soulful bhajans, exclusive video content, and a personalized Ask Swamiji chatbot. It's your path to spiritual growth. Join the Get Closer to God 21 Days Challenge and take a step closer to your divine self. Available in Hindi and English. Download the Radha Krishna Bhakti app today. Gain life-changing wisdom, practice sadhana, and serve with love. Join us now.